Welcome to Foodili channel. Are you ready to make a delicious meal? For today's meal, we need 3 large eggplants. We need to have the eggplants lengthwise. Pour some oil and salt on the bottom of a baking dish. Use a brush to evenly spread oil and salt. Use a fork to poke holes in the flesh of the eggplants. Coat pierced eggplants with oil and salt. Drizzle some oil on top of the eggplants. Brush oil evenly on eggplant surfaces. Bake the eggplants for 20 minutes until soft and golden. Cut 2 large onions in half. Chop the onions very finely. Sauté the chopped onions in oil until they turn golden brown. Add 1 tsp turmeric, salt, thyme, and red pepper to onions. Sauté spices with onions to release flavors. Add 250 grams of ground beef to the onions. Sauté the ground beef with the onions until the meat is cut. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to the meat and onion mixture. Mix all the ingredients together until well combined. We need 5 to 10 medium-sized mushrooms. Slice the mushrooms thinly. Add the mushrooms to the meat and onion mixture. Mix all the ingredients together. Now grab 100 grams of fresh parsley. Chop the parsley very finely. Add the chopped parsley to the meat mixture. Mix all the ingredients together until all the flavors are combined. Remove the baked eggplants from the oven. Use a spoon to scoop out the flesh of the eggplants. Put the scooped out eggplant flesh in a bowl. Mix the meat mixture with the eggplant flesh in the bowl. Add 150 grams soft pizza cheese to the mix. Mix all the ingredients in the bowl together until well combined. Spoon 2 tablespoons of the prepared mixture into each hollowed out eggplant. Sprinkle some pizza cheese on top of each eggplant. Bake until the cheese on top turns golden. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. Enjoy your cheesy stuffed eggplant. Bon appetit! Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.